Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Brian here. I hope you're all doing really well. So recently on my Instagram page, I had made an announcement of a first ever giveaway competition to mark the introduction of my new website, printondemandhustle.com. And basically participants had to view two specifically selected videos from my YouTube channel where I hid secret numbers within the video. Then those numbers had to be converted into letters, and obviously the letters formed a word which participants sent in via my contact page on my website. A lot of people participated, which I am very thankful for, and it's very encouraging for me to want to create further giveaway competitions down the road. But as with all competitions, there can only be a certain number of winners, and for this competition, the prize was to select two Redbubble shop owners, visit their shops and buy 5 stickers, sort of to help get their shops going, to help them with some sales, and obviously to help their designs, well, specifically the ones that I purchased, to rank a little higher on the Redbubble marketplace. And with that said, let's hop over to my computer so we can start with the buying process and see what kind of amazing sticker designs we'll be able to find for today's episode. Now, before we continue with today's episode, the fact that you're here means that you're interested in all things pertaining to print on demand. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. It's really great to have you. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that you'll be informed each and every time that I upload a video. I upload videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and my main goal is to provide you with motivation, tips, and actionable advice to help you take your print on demand business to the next level. So with that said, let's pop over to my computer and start with the buying process. So here we are at the store of the first participant who won the competition, and the name of the shop is Moonlight Stop. And as we can see here, we have 177 designs from which we can choose stickers from. So let's just go through and see what we've got. So we have a featured collection, which is Halloween, because obviously at the time of publishing this video, we're approaching the mid of September. So this is great that we have some Halloween designs up and running so that people who are interested in obtaining anything pertaining to Halloween can order and obviously get them in time for Halloween on October 31st. We've got 16 collections, so let's take a look here. Okay, we have some really interesting designs here. We have some text designs, some photo designs. Okay, we even have a few sticker pack designs, although it's really important to make sure that your sticker packs are properly separated so that people will be more interested in making a purchase. Okay, since we're going to be approaching autumn, this one looks really cool too as well. Let things fall in place. So let's just add that to the cart. Okay. Actually, you know what? I wouldn't mind a Halloween sticker too as well. This one looks really cool too as well. Haunted house sticker. I love the fact there's this black silhouette of a spooky house, and the bright orange cloudy effect in the back really stands out nicely. So let's just click that, add to cart. Okay, we're going to continue going through. Okay, so I'm quite a music lover, having practiced a few instruments while I was growing up, so this one actually really resonates with me. So let's click that, add to cart. And I like the fact that it isn't just vertical or horizontal. The fact that it was done sort of like on a diagonal version, I think it really looks cool. So well done for that. Okay, and we're going to continue going through here. Got a lot of nice, interesting designs. Okay. Some pattern stickers here too as well, really cool. Alright, let's go to the next page and see so everyone will buy from the same page. Okay. I like that one. Dear Math, grow up and solve your own problems. Quite comical. Okay, well, this one I like too as well. Olive, you so much. Obviously it's a take on I love you so much. I love the clip art too as well. It really stands out nicely. So let's click that to cart. Well done. Okay, let's just go back to the first page. I think there was one which caught my eye, but I may have scrolled a bit too fast for that. Ah, yeah, here it is. Okay, another Halloween one. I like this, the skeleton behind a witch's cauldron saying chill out. Okay, let's add that to cart. So that was the 5th sticker from this shop. Now we're gonna pop over to the 2nd winning participant from the competition. We're gonna pop over to their shop and see what kind of designs they've come up here. As you can see here, we got a really nice banner here, and I really like the idea that you have your social media links in the store banner too as well. Plus, you also have a few samples of designs that you've created to give people a real interesting feel of what your shop is all about too as well. And by the looks of it, you have some sticker packs here, so we might want to take a look at those too. So let's just start scrolling down. We have 677 designs. Well done. Okay, we have a few naughty designs here too as well, so we'll scroll past those. We want to keep this episode PG. Okay, I have a lot of patriotism type of designs. Okay, we're just scrolling down. Okay, this one actually looks really cool as a sticker pack. Although it is a bit attached here, we need to be careful of that. I do know somebody who would appreciate this design, so we're going to click and add that to the shop. Alright, and you know, we're going into the 4th quarter, so let's take a look at some of the collections rather than scrolling through each and every page, since we do have 677 designs. I love the fact that you have quite a number of collections over here. And let's just pop over to the Christmas designs and see what you've come up. Okay, you're still building up, but these two look really, really interesting. Merry Christmas. Let's just click on that one and take a look at it. Okay, Merry Christmas, Christmas 2021 sticker. Alright, it's a nice rectangular sticker, something which I really like too as well. I tend to gravitate towards rectangular or circular designs for the stickers that I create, just to make sure that the edges are nice and crisp and neat, not, you know, bumpy or jagged or whatnot too as well. So yeah, I'm going to add that to the cart. I like that one. We'll click on back. And this Santa Claus one looks really cool too as well. So I think of the two designs that you've put up, I will be purchasing both of them. So ho ho ho. I really like the Santa Claus over here too as well. You got this bit of gives sort of a feel of one of, you know, those traditional ugly Christmas sweater type designs. So that's cool too as well. I'm going to add that to cart. All right, and again, another popular holiday in the 4th quarter is obviously Halloween. So let's see, do we have a Halloween? I think I did see one. Yes, Halloween 2021. Let's click on that. Okay, and again, I was saying I was looking for some sticker packs. This one actually looks really cool. I don't see too many sticker packs in the form of bats, or at least I haven't seen too many of those. So let's just click on that one and see what comes up with. Okay, so as you can see on the bottle here, the stickers are nicely divided, just a little bit over here, but that doesn't bother me too much. I'll just take I'll just cut it out with a pair of scissors. That's not a problem. But I like the fact that you've got a bat in different positions over here. So we're going to click the add to cart over there. This really resonated with me, so well done. Okay, and let's see. I noticed that you have a life quotes category. Let's take a look here. Okay, so we've got some text-based designs too as well. Make empathy great again. Go make today amazing. Okay, no is a full sentence. Actually, come to think of it, I really like this one. Go make today amazing. But between these two, I think I'm going to go for the circular one because the gradient over here makes the text stand out a little bit more clearly than this one. The amazing area sort of like it loses out a little bit. But this one looks really cool, so I'm going to click on that one. Let's just see it nice and large here, how it would look on a water bottle if you had to stick it. Okay, so again, we got a nice circular design with this white border that Redbubble puts in. So that's great. We're just going to click add to cart there. Okay, and we'll click on back. And at the time of recording this video, I just finished a delicious cup of coffee. I am a coffee lover too. I love tea as well, but I had a coffee today. So let's see what kind of designs we have for coffee here. Okay, all I need is coffee and my camera. That's actually interesting. Don't look for love, look for coffee. Okay, eat, sleep, coffee, photography, repeat. All right. I love coffee. I am a photographer at heart too as well. I think I'm going to go with this one. I was originally going to go with this one, but as you can see here, there's a bit of spacing between some of the lines. So that means I'm going to get separate pieces, which is probably going to be a little bit difficult to line them up together on what I have in mind to stick it to. Whereas this one over here, let's just click on this. We can see on the sticker mock-up that it's all going to be attached on the left hand side, so it's going to make it really easy for me to be able to stick it to whatever it is that I wanted to stick it to. So guys, whenever you're creating a design, particularly if you want it to appear on a sticker, just make sure that all of the parts are going to be attached together. It just makes it a little bit more convenient, a lot easier for the customer whenever they receive it in the mail to peel it off and to be able to stick it and keep it in line very similarly to the way it's presented on the website. So we're going to click add to cart. Okay, and that should be 5 from this shop too as well. So let's just go to the cart here, make sure that we have all the stickers that we wanted ordered. As we can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stickers in total. So brilliant. Okay, place order now. And we're on it. Here's what happens next. Made the order. It'll let me know when it's made and shipped. And it's estimated to deliver to my place of residence between the 27th and 29th of September. Well, there you have it. As you can see, I purchased 5 stickers from each of the winning participants' shops. It was something really enjoyable to do. Hopefully this episode has put a smile on the face of both of these Redbubble shop owners. And at the same time, I hope it's provided value to you in terms of seeing what kind of designs can resonate with people, maybe perhaps getting a few tips from these particular shop owners and maybe try to incorporate them into your own respective shop. You know, I do enjoy doing these kinds of competitions because, again, like I said, I know that I'm going to be helping others. And that is the main goal of starting this YouTube channel, so that I can reach out to you, provide you with actionable advice, tips, and more motivation through these particular types of activities, competitions, call them what you would like, so that you can actually learn and actually gain a little bit more motivational success with your own respective shop too as well. So those of you who did not win this time, don't be disheartened. There will be other competitions in the distant future. In the meantime, what I want to do is I want to encourage each and every one of you to study and learn, not only from my channel, but even from other YouTubers out there who do focus on, you know, the print-on-demand business. I'm not here to try and monopolize YouTube, and far from it. What I'm doing is just sharing my experiences to you so that perhaps maybe you can learn from my mistakes and my experiences to actually improve your own particular business too as well. Remember, this type of business is a marathon. It's not a sprint. You do have to be patient. You do have to continue being consistent, uploading, learning, research. They say it's a passive business, but in truth, it's not really passive at all. But if you take the fun aspect from it and enjoy the process of researching, keywording, uploading, you'll find a sense that, in truth, while it is a job, it's not necessarily a job, because if you're enjoying doing it, well, then it really isn't a job at all. But the fact that you're actually making some kind of income from it down the road is always icing on the cake too as well. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you got value out of it. Again, if you haven't visited my website yet, it's called printondemandhustle.com. Pop on over, fill in my contact sheet, say hello so that maybe you can join my community over there too as well. I'm trying to reach out and branch out with as many avenues to serve and help each and every one of you. But for today, that's all I've got. And as always, be safe, be well, be creative. Bye for now.